everyone, today I am going to explain and analyze max lang attack. This is very good chess attack in the chess. Okay, this is chapter 1, how to checkmate and easily won the game white. Okay, I am going to explain 4th chapter, part 1 video this one. I am going to make 3 part of video. Okay, first move is e4 king's pawn game. This move is called king's pawn game. Okay, another move is e5. This is king's pawn game. This is the first move of black. Another move of white, bishop c4. Bishop c4 is another move. And knight f6. Okay, this is bishop opening, burning defense. Another move of white, d4. Okay, d4. This is the third move of white. Another move of black, e cross d4. This is bishop opening Pontiani gambit. This is called bishop opening Pontiani gambit. Another move of white, knight f3. Now attack the d4 square pawn with white knight. Okay, another move of knight c6. This is black knight. Defend the pawn. Okay, after that beautiful castling making white. Okay, another move of black, bishop c5. Black c5, bishop c5. White, black bishop go to c5. Another move of e5. Okay, another move of d5. Now attack the bishop. Okay, we will see what's happening going to be. Okay, another move of cut the knight. White cut the knight, e cross f6 and d cross c4. Now bishop is gone. Another move of white, rook e1 and beautiful check. Okay, next move is king go to f8. 8th move of black. Another move of knight b d2. Okay, next move is queen go to b5. d5. Queen go to d5. Another move of 10th move of knight. White knight go to e4. Okay, another move of 10th move of black. Bishop f5. Now pin the knight. Okay, we will see what's happening. Another move of f cross g7 and we will check. Now pause to cut the pawn with black king. If didn't cut the pawn with the black knight, he lose the rook. So now king cut the pawn. Okay, another move of bishop h6 and we will check. Another move of king cross h6. Okay, totally this game is finished. You can see right now. Another move of 13 move of queen d2 and we will check. Okay, now go to king go to g7. Okay, another move of queen g5 and we will check. Now the black cannot save the king with g6, bishop g6. Black cannot save the king because this is pin. You can see right now. I am going to analyze. Here is a pin here. You can understand. Okay. Now here is a check. He can take out from here to here. Bishop. So now king go to f8. King go to f8. The game is over. You can see right now. The queen go to here to check. Okay. No one can do anything. Now king go to here or here. 3 space here. If king go to here, the knight go to here and we will checkmate. If you can see right now, if king go to here, this is discovered attack and check and queen is gone. After that king go to here. Now the queen is gone. Okay, understand? And go back. If king go to here, now the knight go to poke the queen and king and check. Now queen is gone. Now king go here and the queen is gone. That's it. This is chapter 1, max lang attack. Okay, we can go now second attack, max lang attack. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2, max lang attack 2. This game will finish after 13 moves. White going to checkmate easily in this game. You can see right now. Chapter 1 start e4. King's pawn came. This is already I saw. B saw. Another move of E5. Bishop C4. Knight F6. Bishop opening whirling defense. This move is called. Another move of D4. E cross D4. Okay. Another move of Knight F3 and Knight C6. Black Knight go to C6. Then castling. White is castling right now. Then Bishop go to C5. Okay. Another move of White. E5. Okay. Now threatening the Knight. Then Black pawn go to D5 and attack the Bishop. So we will see another move of E cross F6. Knight is gone and now Bishop is gone. Then Rook go to E1 and we will check. Okay, another move of Black. Black go to King go to F8. This is 8th move of Black. This is 9th move. Knight go to Knight B D2 and G cross F6. Pawn cut the pawn. Then King cross F6. Sorry, Knight cross E4. The 10th move of Knight E4. Okay, another move of White. Bishop go to E7. Okay, Black Bishop go to E7. Then Bishop H6 and we will check here. After that, King go to G8 and Queen D2. Okay, this game is already Biso and this is very good chess checkmate in 17th move. This is 12th move of White. Okay, another move is Knight E5. Okay, Black Knight go to E5. Then White Queen go to A4. Okay, we will see Knight G6. Okay, now attack the Queen and Knight cross F6 and we will check. Check with the Knight. White Knight go to check. Now the Bishop need to cut the Knight. Bishop cross F6. Knight is gone. Queen cross F6. If cut the Queen, Black Queen cut the White Queen, game is over. You can see right now. Queen cross F6. Then Rook E8 and we will check. Then Black the check with the Knight. And Rook cross F8 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 2. Max Lang attack. Okay. We will see another chapter 3 after the chess video. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3. Max Lang attack. Okay. This is best wrap for Max Lang attack. Okay. I am going to explain right now. Go to the first move of White. White move is E4. King's pawn came. E5. King's pawn came. Knight F3. King's Knight opening. Another move of Black Knight C6. Bishop C4. Knight F6. D4. E goes D4. Castling. Bishop C5. Then E5. Then Bishop G4. Okay. This is a Bishop move is wrong move. No. Knight G4 is a wrong move. Bishop go to F4. White Bishop. Threatening to now play H3 next move. Here Black has two main moves. Black has two main moves. First one, castling. Okay, another move of White, H3. Now threatening the Knight. Knight go to H6. And Bishop cross H6. Okay, now Bishop cross H6 and G cross H6. After that, beautiful move. After this exchange, Black has a White open King to defend. Another move of C3. Another move of Black. Black go to D5. Now threatening the Bishop. After that, Bishop go to B3. Now Bishop go to B3. Then D cross C3. Another move, Knight cross C3. Then Bishop pawn go to D4. Now attack the Knight. And another move of Knight go to D5. White Knight go to D5. Then Bishop go to E6. After that, Knight F6 and we will check. If cannot cut the Knight with the Queen because the pawn is defend the Knight. Okay, another move of King G7. Another move of White Queen go to C2. Okay, now two attack. One is Bishop. Another one is checkmate. Now Rook go to H8. Block the check. Then Knight H5 and we will check. After that, King F8. If king go to f8 and queen cross c5 and beautiful capture the, you can see right now, bishop. This is rap number 3, max-lang attack, chapter 3. That's it. We can go now, chapter 4. Okay. Now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 5. Sorry, chapter 4. Okay, first move is e4. King's pawn game. Another move of black, e5. Knight f3. Knight c6. Bishop c4. Knight f6. This is Italian game, 2 knight depends. Another move of white, d4. E cross d4. Castling. We saw already. Okay, another move of bishop go to c5. e5. d5. E cross f6. Now it's the knight is gone. Okay. Another move of black. Black d cross c4. Okay. Rook e1 and beautiful check. Rook e1 and beautiful check. Then king go to f8. This is the different checkmate in max-lang attack wrap. Okay. Another move of bishop go to g5. Now pin the, no pin. If cut the pawn, pin is gone. Okay, another move, g cross f6. Okay, another move of g6. No, bishop h6 and go back now. Then bishop go to check and king go to g8. Then knight to c3. Now you can see right now this arrow, bishop go to f5. And now you can see right now the 12th move. Knight go to e4. If cut the bishop, bishop doesn't cut. Bishop go to f8. Black bishop f8. And queen d2. Okay. Now another move of black. Knight go to e5. Okay. Now threatening the knight. Another move of 14th move of knight goes d4. Knight cut the knight. Another move of black. Black bishop cut the e4 knight. Then rook cross e4. Now rook cross e4. Okay, we will see queen d5. Black queen go to d5. And you can see right now another move, rook. Rook go to e1. Then black rook go to e8. After that, bishop cut the bishop. Okay, then rook cross f8. And now you can see right now, this is the famous line. Rook cross e5. The beautiful knight is gone. If cut the f cross e5, then game is over. Queen g5 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 4. Okay, this is part 1 video. Tomorrow I am going to explain and analyze part 2 video about max-lang attack. Okay, that's it.